I'll take her to an actual car wash later, but she has got her first bath since she got home. In my little car. It's cute. It's a nice little car. I need to find a clip for that fender. Other two rims will be on it probably next week. Won't have the mismatched fucking original Ford tires on it. Don't like those, they're ugly. I need to take her to vacuum her out and whatnot, but gotta put my stereo in tomorrow. Gonna put my new headers in tomorrow. Cleaned her out pretty damn good for the most part. I like my little car.